To talk to you guys about how I take CellYea in the mornings. Uses yogurt as a carrier to do that. You can also use a vegan yogurt, something with some fats. The idea is to encapsulate some of the things in the anti-aging formulation that we have here at CellYea inside of the fats, and it kind of gives it extended release throughout the day, gives you really long-term energy. But we did have some stevia here, so I'm going to show you how I make my yogurt every morning. About mid-morning it is right now, about 10:30 in the morning. So I've actually had a couple cups of coffee. I've had some electrolytes this morning for hydration, actually against caffeine. I like coffee. I think that coffee has a lot of health benefits to it, and most studies show from a longevity perspective coffee has a good benefit. Not going to get too much yogurt, just enough. I'm mostly partially fasted other than the yogurt until lunch, and so I'll have lunch a lot later in the day. My stick pack here of CellYea and just dump it right into my yogurt. So you can see that right on top, and it actually mixes in pretty easily. I'm also going to take my 2 capsules and actually crack those open, also put those in my yogurt. 2 capsules. There we go. And the sweet leaf, make sure it's the vanilla stevia. Okay, so you can get this on Amazon. This yogurt here, this Greek yogurt's at Costco. Again, you can get a vegan yogurt, coconut yogurt, whatever you like. Just make sure it has some good fats in it. So that's about a full dropper, and I'm going to go right in. That's it. It mixes in pretty easy. You don't want the powder to go everywhere, so you got to kind of fold it in at first. And you can see it kind of makes this really nice pinkish, reddish, orangish color. It's really pretty, actually, and it tastes just delicious like this. So there's different ways. I've used smoothies and stuff. Again, we wanted to keep the sugar really low in some of the flavor systems inside of this product, but it really tastes very good. My wife and I love it. So again, this is my yogurt here. I'm just going to taste it here with you on the video. Yeah, great ratio. A little bit sweet, a little bit sour. Vanilla kind of helps carry it. And again, this is going to keep me sustained for many hours into the day. I'm going to have peak focus. I'm going to feel immense amounts of energy throughout the day. Your vitality improves, and over the long term, your energy just builds. You just wake up more refreshed, less brain fog, and ready to hit the day. So whether you're physically exercising, you're needing mental focus, whether you're wanting to just slow down the rate of aging, this product is going to help that. And the two in conjunction were designed to work together specifically. So right here in the yogurt, they're one product now, and I can consume them in the right amount of fats, the right amount of protein to give me really, really excellent day today. So I hope you enjoyed.